Welcome to Gluten-Free Gourmet. Today I'm making an incredibly flavorful kale salad with walnuts, feta cheese, oranges, cranberries, a lime dressing, and avocado. The flavor combination in this is as close to perfection as it gets, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So let's get started. I start with a vinaigrette that packs a punch. Here I have olive oil, lime juice, honey, Dijon mustard, chili powder, which adds some great spice, and salt. And I'll mix that well. And then I de-stem a whole bunch of kale, which I've washed and dried thoroughly. You want to be sure it's dry because the dressing will stick a lot better to dry kale. And then I bunch it up. This just makes cutting it quite a bit easier. And I'll cut it into really thin shreds. You want to do thin shreds because kale's pretty fibrous, and this is just easier to chew when you're eating your salad. And here I'm just transferring the kale to a bowl. You want to make sure it's fairly large because we're going to be mixing all of our ingredients in it. And now for the fun part. I'm going to add some salt to the salad, and this adds flavor, and I'll also go in with clean hands and massage the salad. It's kind of funny, but it actually makes it a little bit more delicate, and it makes it that much more delicious. And then I'll add cranberries and walnuts, segmented oranges, feta cheese, and that dressing that we worked so hard on. You can add quite a bit of this because the kale can take a lot of it. And I mix it up. I serve it up and top it with avocado. Now all that's left to do is find someone you want to impress because this salad really is that good. If you feel inspired by this recipe, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time on Gluten-Free Gourmet.